Alright, now what I've got to do is every time before I put on the plastic welder, I like this Permatex plastic welder you get from Tractor Supply. I like to put a PVC primer on and have that wet, and then apply the plastic welder to it. And we'll start with this broken piece right here. Now I just want to make it at least flush. I realize that I'm going to have to. In this section right here, I'm going to be using the plastic welder that I get from Tractor Supply. It works really good. I first put on any kind of PVC primer will work to allow the glue to stick really good. It's going to make a good strong bond. It would also help to roughen up the area if you need to. In this project I used rubber bands to help to hold the pieces of the handle in place, and the finished result was a real good strong handle that's reusable. So that was maybe one of the reasons why somebody threw this away and it ended up in the scrapyard. But you'll also notice too, it seemed like the breather assembly was assembled backwards. until it dries on.